can't remember if it was around 2023 or 2024 when Horizon had the Vendettas marked down for like $199, and I bought two of them. Y'all already seen one. Actually, y'all seen this one before, actually. Y'all already seen one, my chrome one I did a speed run with. I've been saving it for a speed run car, which I'm still working on it right now. So I should have another video on that one here one of these days. Just need to work out some tweaks with it. And then the second one, I put this Z body on it. I kind of fell in love with it. You know, I love orange anyway. Orange is one of my favorite colors. And I ran across a Fairlady Z, a special customized one made by Nissan. And I'll show a picture of it to you right now. And I thought it was pretty cool looking, so I decided to duplicate it since I can't remember who made this body. I have to look it up, but I'll put the link in the description who made it. And I decided to go and do the same paint scheme as that Z, and I thought it turned out pretty good. So this is just a stock Vendetta. I do have the upgraded pinion in it. So this thing, it'll hit, I think top speed was 57 miles an hour the last time I speed run this thing. But yeah, I painted it up. I think it turned out pretty good. I kind of shoe-gooed the areas that the tires may rub. And then actually put the headlight bezels inside there. Make it look more realistic. But it turned out pretty good. But this is just pretty much a stock Vendetta. It's a little dirty. But I'm gonna go take it out today. I'll try to at least take out some of my stuff. I don't like them sitting on the shelf too long. I like to play with a lot of my stuff. So we're gonna go run this one out for a few minutes. But anyway, guys, here's some footage. Hope y'all are having a good day, and y'all be good and take care.